In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shortcut to Google Chrome homepage/browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the homepage or new tab page where your shortcuts appear. On this screen, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. It is usually found below your existing shortcuts or in a visible area on the page. Click on Add Shortcut to open the setup window. After clicking Add Shortcut, a small box will appear asking for two pieces of information, the name and the URL. In the name field, type the label you want the shortcut to display. Next, move to the URL field and enter the full web address for the site you want to add. Be careful to type the address correctly so the shortcut opens the right page. It is usually best to include the complete address, including the beginning part of the link, to avoid errors. Once both fields are filled in, review the information one more time. A clear name and an accurate URL will make the shortcut more useful and help avoid confusion later. Then confirm the entry to finish creating the shortcut. After that, the new shortcut should appear on your Chrome homepage or browser start page. You can now click it anytime to open that website quickly without typing the address again. That covers everything you need to know.